learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Ding dong, ding dong! It's time for this edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph 林。为什么要叮咚叮咚？就是回家了。
门铃响了。
我跟你讲，学生回家第一件事情很幸福，就是家里母亲呢会帮你准备好饭呢，要吃了，对不对？
很多学生回到家，有没有东西吃啊？
对啊，真的，尤其正在长大的学生们。Today we're going to teach you how to ask, are you hungry? But we're going to put you in a scenario when you go home, you want to have dinner, you want to have some food, and what would you ask and say? Okay? 首先，肚子饿了吗？
会肚饥冇？
会肚饥冇 That means, are you hungry? Alright, so when we come home, 第一件事就是我回来了 I'm home.
我转来了。
我转来了 Okay? That means I'm home. 好，那肚子饿了吗？马上可以吃饭喽！哇，这个妈妈真好啊，马上就准备好了。Let's say mom has already prepared all the food, and she asks, "Are you hungry? We can actually start eating now if you want to." Okay? 肚子饿了吗？马上可以吃饭了。
会肚饥冇？
会肚饥冇？
晏時做得吃飯了。
晏時做得吃飯了。晏時做得。
晏時就是馬上。
馬上哦，晏時 that means immediately. Okay?
做得就是可以。
可以对，做得吃飯咯。
吃飯了。
对，就是 immediately we can actually have some meal together, some food together. Okay, 所以呢，刚回家其实还是应该要洗手，对对，甚至换一个衣服啦，轻松一下，对不对 ？But wash your hands before you have your meal. 好啊，我去洗手。All right, let me go wash my hands.
好啊，我來去洗手。
好啊，我來去洗手。洗手洗手啦，手就是手 ，OK， 手 is your hand， 洗手洗手。
对，那海陆腔洗手 say shoe，
say shoe， OK。That's a different dialect for washing your hands. And really, keep your hands clean because there's a lot of viruses out there that you do not want to contract, okay? 这是非常简单的动作，但是千万一定要先洗手 ，OK？好 let's review some of these terms right now. I am back. 我回来了。
我轉來了。
我轉來了。And then immediately we can have dinner or have a meal. 馬上怎麼說？
晏時
OK 就是 immediately 馬上 and finally to wash your hands 洗手洗手記得哦 gotta wash your hands and now we have cured your hunger let's teach you how to ask again 肚子餓了嗎 Are you hungry?
會肚飢冇
會肚飢冇 and now you know how to ask that That's all about today's Practical Hakka
什麼大家
俺只識張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.